How to set up Discord rules verification. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can do it, you may follow the step by step. So in order to do so, all you gotta do is head over to one of your servers and one of your chats. So head over to your server first, and all you gotta do is you may click on your server's name and locate at the option of server settings and open it up. Now, once you open up server settings from the given options on your server settings, scroll down and look for the option of access and locate this up. Now, here you should be finding an option of server rules. All you gotta do is simply turn this option on. And once you turn it on, you can set up a rule in your Discord. So in your server, you can set up a rule. So you can set up as much as you want. There is different options of rules. So you can look out for rules. Click on add rule again, and basically go ahead and add up a rule for yourself. After that, save up the changes, and once you do, the other server members should agree to the terms and conditions before joining your server, and that is it. So you may also follow the same method if you want to set up server rules in your Discord servers as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.